In this 3-Minute Thursday tip, I'm going to show you some time-saving methods to trim out those silences and bad takes out of your A-roll in DaVinci Resolve. The first way is with nothing selected and your clip on your timeline, you want to click the transcribe button. This will create a full transcript of your timeline. Once it's complete, you'll see your full transcript, everything you said in the video, including all of your silences. If you click this little icon right here, that will remove all the silences from your video. Now this is an AI tool, so it's not 100% accurate, but this is one way to get a huge head start on editing your A-roll. You can also come in and select any paragraph that you don't want to be in the video, and if you hit delete, it will delete that section of the video from your timeline. You can then come in and close those gaps, and boom, you're well on your way to editing your A-roll. A second way you can do this is to come back with your original transcript, no edits made, click the share button, name that file, click save. You'll see that it will save it as a .txt file. Double click that to open it, and now you can edit your video like a Word document, similar to what we were just doing inside of DaVinci Resolve, but it does feel more like a Word document. So if you're someone that likes to edit based off of documents and text, opening and exporting the transcript outside of DaVinci might be a better way for you to edit. You can just easily select what you don't want in the video, delete those parts, go through, take out the bad takes, the silences, any parts you don't want. Then make sure to save that file, come back into DaVinci Resolve, right-click on your video file, come down to AI Tools, and create new timeline using IntelliScript. Navigate to that file, select your transcript, and click Open. This will create a timeline with the changes and cuts that you made in that text file. Another way to trim and cut your A-roll is the old-fashioned way of keyboard shortcuts, with the letter B selecting the blade tool, making that cut, clicking A to switch back to your selection tool, and I have ripple delete assigned to the R key, so you can click R to delete that clip and the space in between. Using keyboard shortcuts like this is a more accurate way of exactly nailing in where you want those cuts to be. And the fourth way, and my personal favorite lately, I have assigned the letter T to the split clips keyboard shortcut, and this simply just cuts all of your clips that are stacked on top of your timeline all at one time. Scroll, press T, scroll, press T. You're already on your select tool, so this makes it a lot easier to just select and R ripple delete without that extra step of changing from B to A. And these were just a few ways to trim and cut your A-roll in DaVinci Resolve.